And in this next slide, you can see the pink flamingos. Now, they used to populate Lake Nakuru. And what happened? They put a factory up next to the lake. Right. And now we had a huge die-off of the flamingos. I wrote this back in 1989. It's called You Don't Need Binoculars to Be a Bird Watcher. And again, I'm speaking metaphorically for our ability to really see if we just look with our own eyes. Take Lake Nakuru in Kenya, the vast number of flamingos. What greater bird than the lesser? Carmine red, the legs startled the water. Perched on stilts, it slips its bill beneath the surface, flips its tongue into place, then dips for algae. Outnumbered, the greater towers to 6 feet, feeds on mollusk, then clears the lake, soars over tiers of yellow acacias glinting in pure sun. Rock-strewn hills, every detour opens up on pelicans, seems an overture to the view at the top. Pink slides from sky like a rainbow into your eyes, mesmerized by the flight. You ask why there's so many birds rushing to earth. Don't waste time looking through binoculars. Start running to the lake's edge for a closer view. Look into the liquid heart where the blue-green pulsates, red beaks sucking, then spewing out water. Follow the pelican's snow-white ascent into the flamingo's flight. Be like the birds. Lift. Ignite.